Hello and welcome to Unparalleled Lifestyle. I am so glad you are here today because we are diving into something that has truly changed my life. And I have a feeling it might change yours too. So, let's talk about mindfulness. Now, before you click away thinking, another person is trying to tell me to do some meditation. Hold up. This isn't about becoming a monk or spending hours cross-legged on the floor. It is learning to be present in a real, practical, totally doable way that fits your actual life. And trust me, if you are a busy woman juggling work, life, and about 100 tabs open in the brain right now, this is what you exactly need. So, what even is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness means being fully here. Not stuck in the past, not worrying about the future, just now. It is paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Simple, but not always easy, right? Because let's be honest, we live in a world that constantly pulling our attention in a million directions. Email pings, social media scrolls, never-ending to-do list. It's exhausting, but mindfulness helps us to take back control. It gives us space to breathe, space to choose how we respond, instead of reacting on autopilot. And when you cultivate mindfulness, you start to feel calmer, more focused, more grounded, and honestly, just more you. Let's take a second to talk about why this even matters. Why should you care? Well, studies have shown that mindfulness can actually change your brain, like structurally. It strengthens areas linked to focus, emotion regulation, and compassion. It strengthens the part that tied to stress and anxiety. So, if you've ever been feeling scattered, overwhelmed, or like you're living in your head all the time, mindfulness is like a mental reset button. It is not just woohoo, it is science-backed. And honestly, it is one of the most powerful forms of self-care you can practice. Okay, now let's get into the good stuff. How you actually cultivate mindfulness in your everyday life. Let me walk through a few simple, realistic ways to get started. You don't need a guru or a retreat. Just you, your attention, and a bit of patience. This is the classic one, but it is classic for a reason. Your breath is always with you, and tuning into it is one of the fastest ways to bring your mind into the present moment. So, try this. The next time you are stressed or overwhelmed, pause for 30 seconds. Close your eyes if you can, and take a long deep breath in, and take a deep breath out, nice and relaxed. That's it. No fancy breathing techniques. Just notice your breath. Feel it in your chest, the belly. Let it anchor you. You can do this at your desk, in your car, or even in the bathroom if you need a moment away from everyone. Mindfulness doesn't have to be a full-on meditation session. In fact, it is most powerful when you weave it into your daily life. Try to be fully present during your everyday task, like brushing your teeth, making your coffee, washing the dishes, instead of zoning out or scrolling your phone. Just be there. Notice the sensations, the smell, the sound, the feeling. It might seem small, but those little moments adds up. They train your brain to pay attention instead of drifting off. Another beautiful way to cultivate mindfulness is through journaling. And no, it doesn't have to be a novel. Just take 5 minutes at the end of your day to write down, what did I notice today? How did I feel? What thoughts come up for me today? This helps you practice your experience instead of pushing through life on autopilot. You will notice things like the patterns, the triggers, and even things that brings you joy. And that awareness, that is mindfulness in action. Our bodies are full of information, but we spend so much time in our heads we totally ignore them. So, try this simple body scan. Close your eyes and slowly move your attention through your body, down your toes, and just feel the feeling all up through your body to your head. Just try to notice any tension. Notice where you are holding stress. Just observe without judging. This reconnects you to your physical self. And it is an amazing way to calm your nervous system, especially before bed. Ever catch yourself half listening in a conversation? Like nodding along while your brain is already 3 steps ahead. We all do it. But mindful listening is about giving someone your full attention. Putting down the phone, making eye contact, and really hearing their words. It is such a gift to them and to you. You'll build deeper connections and it'll train your brain to stay present, even in an emotionally charged situation. Now, I want to be real with you. Mindfulness isn't something you achieve. It is something you practice. There will be days that you will feel totally connected and zen. And other days where your brain is just like a squirrel on espresso. That is okay. The goal isn't perfection. It is presence. The coming back to the matters. And honestly, every time you return to your attention to the moment, even just once, you are strengthening that mindfulness muscle. Over time, mindfulness starts to seep into everything. You pause before reacting. You notice your emotion instead of of being ruled by them. You enjoy your food more. You are less reactive in traffic. And you will find joy in little things. And the best part, you will start to feel more like yourself, aligned, clear and peaceful, even in the middle of chaos. So, if you've ever been feeling pulled in every direction, I encourage you to try just one of these mindfulness practices this week. Start small. Be curious. Be kind to yourself. Mindfulness isn't just about fixing yourself. It is about coming home to yourself. And I love to hear from you. What is one mindful moment you can build into your day? Let me know in the comments. Or, if you are watching this while multitasking, no judgment, pause right now. Just take one deep breath in and out and just relax. You just done a mindfulness practice. You did it. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more simple wellness tips and share with a friend who needs a little calm in their life today. Thank you for hanging out with me. May you have a wonderful day or night, wherever you are in the world. See you next time on Parallel Lifestyle. Many blessings.